The Fourth Circuit now, they invented this new test for the Second Amendment, and here's what their test said. The Second Amendment doesn't protect a weapon if it would be useful in a military context. This test isn't just sort of questionable. It isn't just a little bit out there. It is nuts. The Second Amendment was designed explicitly to protect weapons that would be useful in a military context. So under the Fourth Circuit's test, the only things that are protected are things that are not useful in a military context. So apparently the Second Amendment protects feather dusters. You have a right to have a feather duster. If anyone breaks in, you can make sure they're really clean as they're robbing your house.